G'day guys, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to be fitting up Oxford heated grips to the vstrom. So I've been really looking forward to this because we've just got winter coming on now. I've never actually had any heated grips on any of the bikes I've had. And, because I never wear thick gloves. I really hate winter gloves. I generally wear these dry rider. They're kind of like a motocross type of glove, but I really like to have a lot of movement in my fingers, not be cramped up, so I reckon these grips are going to work very well with this. These are the new ones. They got the intelligent controller on them, so hopefully, as they say, though, you won't get a flat battery with them being left on, because as soon as they detect a voltage drop when you've turned your bike off, they go into shutdown mode, and after about 2 or 3 minutes apparently they'll completely shut off, which is good to know, but we shall see. Alright, I'll get into it. The first thing I'll do is get the seat off. Anyway, that's the intelligent controller. Looks like everything's pretty much plug and play. Alright, so with these ones, you can actually wire these straight up to the battery. Because they've got the intelligent controller, like I said, you shouldn't have to worry about them going flat on you. Comes with an inline fuse. I've got that many things running off my battery already. I don't know if the bolt's actually going to do up anymore. I'll put any more shit on it. Comes with a mounting bracket. They give you your Oxford hot grip super glue. How was that? A few cable ties. Let's have a look in here. So, mounting bracket, screw that on the back. That's pretty cool. What I think I'll do first is run this cable somewhere up to the handle grips. I reckon I might run it under this panel here. I'll just take that off. Run them along from the battery under there, coming up here somewhere. I am going to just run it along under the tank. I'm actually going to run up underneath the tank, up to the front. What I'm going to do now is hook up the positive and negative. First thing I'll do is disconnect the negative. Got so many things connected up to the battery that little bolt won't fit, so I'm going to try a longer one. Ideally, it would be good to run a separate fuse box if you're in this situation. These are coming off alright. A bit of twisting motion does the trick. Just keep twisting them on. And we'll come off. Definitely a bit of glue on there, it's sticky. And I'll give that a clean up with some wax and grease remover or alcohol or something. Get it all nice and clean for the new one. So one thing you want to make sure with these, because they've got this wire that sticks out the back, once you get it on, you want to make sure your clutch lever doesn't hit it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put a bit of glue on that now, twist that on, get in position, and go from there. So this stuff is actually just super glue. But like, you might think your grip is really tight and you won't need it. But once that heats up, there is a possibility it could start turning on you. So probably don't need a real lot. Just gonna put a bit on there. Because it's super glue, you don't want to friggin' be pissing around too long or it'll go hard on you. Oh, shit. This design, if you have it too far around, you're going to hit that. So make sure that is out of the way. So I'm right to the end. Wire will just go underneath. Alright. Let's have a look at the other side. Throttle one is proving a little bit more difficult. I don't really want to twist on it too much, it's pulling the cables. Now I could actually cut this off, but I really don't want to. Because it's got this little lip on the end, I feel I'm going to have to file that down so the other one will go on smoothly. Right, so because my throttle had these plastic ridges across it, in the book it does say you might need to file some stuff down and sand it. So I've filed those ridges down, I've given it a clean, and it should slide on. I never get tempted to bash these on the end because you will probably damage it. I recommend just to twist it on there. Alright. Feels like it'll go on alright, so I'm going to now just put some glue on that. A little bit of super glue. So just keep twisting it, it will go. Seems a bit weird, you know, having a wire on your throttle. You want to make sure that doesn't bloody get hooked on anything. Alright, so that is now on. I'll just go ahead and fit everything back up on it and we'll give it a test. I'm going to fix it to there. First thing I think I'm going to have to move this over. Like that. I think it'll work right there. So what I've got to do now is screw that back onto there. Alright, so screwing the controller to the back panel, 4 little screws. Oops, I'm going to turn it on. So I'm just going to put it up here nice and close to where you can get your fingers. It could have been bent back a little bit more. Give it a go, eh? I'm going to go straight to 100%. Get it warmed up nice and quick. All I gotta do now is tidy up all the wiring. It probably would have been better if it was underneath there, I guess. This little fucker here gives me a flat battery. That's what I've done. Put the live wire from that to that first. Just plays up. Slightly thicker. The rubber is so grippy. I don't think you'd want them on high for long, that would actually burn your hands. Probably only use 40%. Very nice. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this job. She's all on there, ready to go. Can't wait to try it out. And yeah, just like to say a big thanks to all the new subscribers. Had quite a few actually this month. And big cheers to Noah. He's been following me right from the start, one of my first subscribers. So alright, I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers guys.